Karen. Today I am doing Dove's baby nursery room tour. Whew, that was like tiring just to say. This is the baby bump at 37 weeks and 5 days. She's ready to come out anytime. All right, let's get going. Da-da-da-da. Let's start off with crib. This is the famous crib from IKEA. It was only $75. I figured that because she's not gonna be using this for many years, I wanted just to save on that part. We have the mattress that I got from Amazon. I forgot for how much, but if I find the link, I'll send it. Of course, everything in the crib will be taken out when we put her in here to sleep. She is just from Target, the basic stuff. This I actually got when I was in Japan many years ago when we went to Disney, Tokyo. It's so cute, and now it's Dove's. This Boppy, I actually picked up this slip from Etsy. It's a custom slip, so they don't sell this from Boppy, but I thought it was so cute and I wanted a custom one kind of to match the vibe and the theme of the room. As you guys can see, I try to avoid too much pink, so instead of pink I did peach instead. So I went with these peaches on the wall. These peaches I got from Etsy as well, and you get a full sheet for $34. I put them up myself, and you get twice the amount of this. I only used half of the sheet. So it's pretty a good alternative if you don't want to use wallpaper, because that gets really expensive. And this hello sign is actually from Wish. It wasn't meant to be for Dove's room, but I felt like it just fit perfectly right here. It's so cute. We're probably not going to turn it on when she's in here, but just for the aesthetics right now. And then right over here, this lamp I've had years ago, since my Hollywood home, in 2016, 17. It just fit the vibe of this room. So this is from Urban Outfitters. They don't sell this anymore. This I got from Home Goods. Oh, this is super cute. This says Dove, and it's a toy that my sister found a custom company to make, so that when she gets older, it's a little puzzle and she can play with these wooden toys. Personally, I'm going to try to avoid giving her toys that has batteries in it. I want her to learn motor skills and learn to play creatively and not be overstimulated by battery powered toys. So I love wooden toys like that. This rug is from Urban Outfitters. They were having a sale. I think I got it for $79, $80. It's an 8x7 rug. And it fits this room perfectly. It's this really cute peachy color. Plan on doing tummy time in here a lot. You're gonna notice we don't have her rocking chair in here, and that's because we want to do feedings in our bedroom in the beginning. So her rocking chair is actually in our bedroom, but we're gonna do tummy time, playtime, and nap time during the day here behind us. This is her Love Every tummy time mat. That seems dangerous. I'm gonna pull that out and plug it on that side actually. So moms that are watching, don't worry, I'll take that, I'll fix that situation. This is super duper cute, and then it's really good way for her to stimulate herself. There's some mirrors right there. Some toys here, some bells here, all that cute stuff. Okay, this is the other side of the room. We have her dresser here and her changing basket, and also just her changing gear here. This is a dresser from Urban Outfitters. Oh my god, actually everything on this wall is basically from Urban Outfitters, but let's just start from this dresser. I can link it in the description box below. I like this one because you can actually take this off and wash it. So if she makes a mess here or whatever, we can always clean this guy up. It's a really cute mustard color. And this mirror right here is very dusty, but I picked it up from Urban Outfitters years ago, and it was just inside our house. But I thought that it fit really well into the aesthetics of this room. Now over here we have this poster that says Bae, 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 and this is meant for her. When I found out I was pregnant, I wanted something super cute and cheeky, but not too baby enough for the room, and I thought this was just a perfect addition to the room. Here we have a basket that I got from Home Goods. You know, they sell a lot of these there. And currently I don't really have anything in here except for some baby wipes, because all her diapers are already stored here. Water-based, plant-based wipes for her, and also some Kirkland ones. These ones we'll probably travel with. And I think I showed you guys these drawers when I was doing my vlog last week, but I'll show you guys again. This is all blankets and swaddles and towels and so forth. Some of her clothes and her bows. This is all bows. These are all little leggings. These are like sets, shorts, dresses. These are all little socks all in here, and these are all onesies, like her PJs and stuff like that. Super soft and super cute clothes. Oh, this is just like some hats, bibs, swaddles, and some shoes, and more swaddles. And this is a travel diaper changing pad I got from Gather. It's like another mustardy kind of tan color. So this would be really good when we are changing her downstairs, or if I just want to place it here and keep this area clean, I can do that too. What would you call the vibe of this style, babe?
Bohemian.
Boho babe. She's a boho babe. And then if you guys are wondering about these organizers, they're super useful, and I don't know how, but they fit in these drawers like perfectly. I got these from Amazon and I love them so much. This is from Love Dua.
This is from Design Dua.
Oh, thanks. This is from Design Dua. It's such a cute bassinet, and there is a pod here that you can take out. So it's like a Moses pod. This is what she sleeps in, maybe during like nap times when we're supervising her. And this part is her little bassinet that we'll actually keep in our bedroom. And this is what she's gonna sleep in the first 3 months or something at nighttime with us. And there's gonna be like nothing in here. We're just gonna swallow her and put her in here when she is born. This is the Ubi pail. This is where we dump all her stinky diapers in, and this is actually recommended to me by Mommy Diary. She's like a really good mommy blogger. This is really great because you can use your regular trash bags in here, but it also is really good at locking in all of the stank. So you don't have to buy special trash bags where a lot of diaper pails you have to. This is really good for that. Next up, we have this bag. So this is her diaper bag. I haven't really packed it, so I'm not going to go too deep into it, but this is from Fawn Design and they gifted this to me. It's a beautiful bag. I wanted to get like a neutral gray bag so that Leo can wear it too. It has all these pockets everywhere. Here in the back, they have like a shoulder strap. The only thing I have in here so far is some diapers and wipes. And then they have a lot of like compartments for bottles and what have you not. I think once she's born, I'll really figure out how to use this. Oh, I also have another travel changing mat. This is like a pink one. It's super cute. This is her reading corner. She probably won't use this one until she's like a lot older. I do plan on putting like racks here so her books can just sit up here and she can pick it up and read it. That's something that we'll probably do later on. The book that I do want to call out is this one called Bedtime for Dove, and this was gifted to us by our friend Brian and Linlin. It is personalized for Dove, and every single page has drawings and her name on it. It's super cute. I purposely picked a baby that represents her that will probably look a lot like her, an Asian baby, and I love that about this book. One of the most thoughtful gifts. Look at that. How long till little dove falls asleep as well. One of my favorite pages is this one. It's a towel with her name on it and she's brushing her teeth. This is so special. If you guys want to check this one out for future gifts, if you have friends that have babies, you can check out wonderbly.com and they have all these different titles. There we have it. We got Leo here.
Hello. So thank you guys so much for taking the first look at Dove's room. I'm sure we'll add more items as she gets older. We'll have our recommendations and we'll let you guys know what changes we make over the next couple of months, but this is how we're going to be starting out. If you have any recommendations for us, please leave them in the comment section below. We're so hungry to learn more about just how to be the best parents we can possibly be for Dove. If you have anything that you want to recommend, we'd love to hear it.
Also, I plan on showing you guys us actually using this room, so we'll be vlogging that too. Hopefully she comes out in the next week or two. Soon. Because I'm now like 37 weeks and 5 days.
It's been a long time, Evie.
I know, I've been pregnant a long time. So we're excited to see her. And
yeah.
Dude, her room is better than my room. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.
Bye.